Of course, it may be that your stress scores are the same, or higher, than at the start of the course. If that's the case, please don't be disheartened. Taking a mindful approach to life can take a while to bear fruit. Because you are becoming more aware of what's happening in your life, including your stress, it can seem that your stress has increased, when actually you are just noticing it more clearly. It could also be that your situation has changed over the past month. Remember to be gentle with yourself. Mindfulness is a long-term endeavor, and by planting the seed of practice now, you are giving it a chance to blossom in your future. In a month's time, come back to do this stress assessment again, so you can compare your experience then and now. This brings you to the end of your mindfulness course. I'd like to offer you many congratulations on getting this far. Mindfulness practice isn't always easy, it takes courage and dedication, and it's a real achievement to have completed your course. I hope it's been worth it for you, and that you've had a taste of how being mindful of your experience can actually begin to transform it, creating space for new ways of handling things. I also hope you'll be inspired to continue your mindfulness practice. I mentioned at the beginning, this isn't a quick fix, but a lifelong journey to become ever more present, less anxious, and more able to appreciate your life. While this may be the end of your course, it could be just the beginning of your path to ever greater mindfulness. So, well done for completing your course. It shows you have a real commitment to taking care of yourself. Your journey continues from here, and the most important thing is to keep practicing. Even if you can only manage 5 minutes of mindful breathing each day, that will help you keep up your thread of awareness. To be able to call on these practices in times of difficulty, you need to make them a part of your life. Think of mindfulness practice as something you can do for your health and well-being, just like exercise or brushing your teeth. You need to brush your teeth regularly, a little every day, not just once a week for an hour on a single day. So it is with mindfulness. Experiment with finding the practices and the times of day that work for you, that you can fit into your schedule realistically on a regular basis. Mindfulness is learning by practicing, and the people who get the most benefit seem to be those who actually do the practices. With mindfulness, you're shifting very old habits, so please be patient with yourself. With a little effort and commitment, this approach can help you to move through life with your eyes open, and better able to respond to challenges, instead of reacting mindlessly. In the next session, you'll be given some tips to help you stay motivated, as you continue along your mindfulness journey. Click the next video box, to go to the next video in this course. Click the View Playlist box, to go to the playlist for all course videos. Click the Go Back box, to go to the previous course video.